And I kind of like that storyline kasi nga it was a back and forth of emotion na to the point na hindi ko makausap si Coach Shane, hindi ko makausap si Coach Tanks. Gusto ko lang kumuha sana ng journalistic na perspective kung bakit nga ba ganun, no. So punta tayo doon, coach, kung okay lang sa iyo, no?
Sige.
Time to cook.
So okay. So 0-2. Heading tayo to 0-2. No, not the coach, 0-2 scoreline, no. So 0-2, I think map number 3 if I can recall. Wait lang. Kung di ako nagkakamali,
Eagle Eye was the map.
it was Eagle Eye. Okay, so it was a very shaky map number 3. Pero you pulled it off. So naging 1-2. Ito yung pinaka nakakaano ko talaga eh. Like we went to sub base and that went 10-0. Okay. So given na kay Ubek Maniac is they're very expert at sub base. Alam ni KLB yan, lahat ng maps na dinadala dati ng GG2 is sub base. It transitioned very well to Ubek Maniac and then you used it very late into the series. Usually, ang ginawa nyo kay Makta dati, map 1 pa lang, pinik nyo na yung sub base. Pero dito, you picked it late to game number 4. It went 10-0. Talk us through kung ano yung naging usapan nyo heading into sub base. Like, kakatapos sila ng Eagle Eye. What was in the minds of the players? And ano yung nasa utak ni Coach Tanks nun?
Good question.
Sige, teka. Bigyan nyo a few seconds to
Hala, Coach.
I actually thought, honestly, dahil ka-shaky yung Eagle Eye, nung nakita ko na parang, ay okay, nakuha na ng boys yung groove nila. Kasi we had very bad first 2 games. They were not in sync. The comms is not, hindi siya fluid, no? Pero yung, yun nga, di ba sabi ko nga kanina, kinausap ko sila, sabi ko, let's not go down like this, ganyan. Nagdasal pa kami, sama-sama, ganyan. Tapos, sabi namin, ito, seryoso, sabi ko, 1 map at a time lang. 1 map at a time. Then, yung Eagle Eye, parang nag-3-3, 4-4 pa yun eh. Then, nakaka 2 straight kami, isa sila, 2 straight uli kami. So, sabi ko parang, this is going our way. Habang nasa likod ako nun, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na, if we win this Eagle Eye, we go to 5th map. Hindi dahil sa, bias talaga. Sub-base eh.
For sure. It's a bonus sub base, man. That's hard to beat.
Yes, alam kong very comfortable yung mga bata doon sa mapa, sa sub-base. Kasi, kabisado nila yung mga gagawin doon eh. Tapos, maliban doon, may mga pinag-usapan kami na change-up. May change-ups kami, siyempre sa amin, private na lang. May mga change-up kami ginawa doon sa sub-base, entering that finals. Kahit paano gumana naman. Yun. Yun yung mismo nasa isip ko. Sabi ko, if this goes to the 5th map, honestly, 50-50 na yun, kako. It's a 0-0 ball game. Reset lahat. Kasi ma-reset yun eh. Like, yung mindset namin. Dahil naging player ako dati, alam ko yun eh. Yung magka-comeback ka. Ingat, coming from 0 to scoreline, tas matututo mo. Somehow, the pressure comes back to you. Kasi, ay, shit, ito na, makakabalik na tayo. Diba? Ganun. So, yun. Honestly speaking, we somehow choke. We somehow choke sa compound. And given na hindi rin namin siya siguro hindi naman na to sikreto. Binaban namin yun eh.
Yep.
Hindi siya, it's not one of our stronger maps or sa aming map pool. Pero nung na-pull out namin na nung first half 5-4, sabi ko, uy, medyo
parang
sabi ko, kaya. Pero when SGJ pulled out the hat-trick of kasi
3 points snipers.
Oo
Nakakabaliw pa rin yung excuse me lang, Coach. Like parang hindi mo pwedeng makita yung ganun kasi sobrang risky, 'di ba? Like nagigets ko naman na 3 kwadrado yung compound, no. Hindi ginagawa ng Brazil, hindi ginagawa ng China just because pinapabora talaga nila yung meta ng pag-wallbang.
Yes.
Si KLR, si Yobib, si Tino, ang nasa isip, bantayan na lang natin yung tatlong mahabang angulo ng mapa. Hayaan nating mabait yung ano. Parang dun ako na off guard kasi by 2 rounds, nag-a-adjust ni si Ubek Mahinyak. Nag-mid control, kumukuha usually ng CA control.
Yes,
Pero it went to the inevitable side na parang hindi na talaga mapigilan ni KLB kung ano yung magandang call. So,
Oo.
tama ka doon actually. Like, it was actually a hat trick na maski ako nagulat ako.
Mm.
Hmm.
And eto kasi yun eh. They were hitting their shots as well.
Tino Magic was on yung time na yun.
Oo, hindi siya like, okay, distrat natin. You should hit your shots. And each and every one of those snipers were hitting. So kahit anong cross ng mga player ba, magse-set up na sila, ganyan. Kahit may trade pa yan. Once mahit mo yung isa, magtatago lang yung sniper, tas nandun na yung magta-trade din doon sa sniper. So mahirap talaga eh. Yun talaga, isa yun sa mga ano, I think that's one of the more ingenious na ano na moves na nakita ko sa ano. I'm a fan of that strat. Magaling. Nagalingan din ako doon actually. Nagulat talaga kami. Sabi ko, shit. Ano? Nautakan kami doon ah. Yun talaga sa isip ko, nautakan kami. Galing nung ginawa ng SGJ. Kaya deserve din talaga nila yun.
Yeah, for sure.
Yung win yan.
At the end of the day, yun nga, no, SGJ is definitely gonna be one of those teams that will go down in history as, yun nga, no, yung, as having their own era as well. Having their own era. Totally, walang ano yun, walang, there's no, how do you say, ano tawag dito? Salvatore?
Parang
Walang hidden meaning yung sinasabi ko, guys, about SGJ.
Okay.
Pero yun nga, malalaman niyo soon. Pero yun nga, thanks, man. Since, I think we probably squeezed everything about yung Masters at this point, right?